Last name is Liang, Liang, and first name is William.
And did you run the 5K as well?
I did.
Okay, make sure you grab your medal.
Oh yeah, nice. They're here.
Need one as well?
Yes, thank you. Oh, they're here. Nice.
Yes.
Black.
Thank you. There you are. And do you want back to this?
That'd be great.
Good morning, team, and welcome to 10K race day. Bought some goodies for this race to improve from the 5K and to use for the races in the future as well, like the 15K, the trail runs, as well as the marathon. First thing I got is this Squirrels Nut Butter Anti-Chafe Cream. I actually didn't know it was this small, but we'll test it out and see if we like this brand and then go with something else. The next thing I got was something called a Bib Up. I don't know if a lot of you use this at all, but it's so that I don't have to use pins on my shirts. I sometimes like to wear or buy some nice running shirts.
Oh, you think you're fancy?
And I don't love putting a ton of holes into them. So these are magnetic holders for your bib, which I am number 1816 today. So it's just me today. We're gonna see how fast I go. We're gonna see how well I do today. I am gonna try to go fast.
Race. He's a race. I hope I win.
Last but not least, dun da da da, the Aero Pecs. Now, I've been looking at some bone conduction headphones, and these seem to have the best overall reviews on Amazon. So we're gonna test these out, we're gonna crack these open, charge them, and use them today. Hopefully they work well. Eating a banana. Gonna put these bad boys on. Rained a bit yesterday. Shit, that ain't gonna stop us.
Just got here. It's cloudy, a little rainy, but not too bad. I gotta pee though. Should have done that before. Got the headphones on, got the bib on. It's on wrong, but it's okay. Let's do this. Back. We are back. Good. You're here for the 5K too, right? I was. Yeah.
And after that anthem, we're gonna have 3 announcements, followed by a new activity. All right, folks. 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Go on, folks. Have a great day.
Yeah. 1 mile in. Thank you. Back to home base. Yeah! Mile 5. Last quarter mile. Almost there. Well done. Just got into the car, the 5K, the 10K. Got my banana king. Don't judge me. Really fun. I had a blast. These headphones are amazing, so you can hear external like noises, cars honking or whatever. These were absolutely amazing. Probably some of my favorite running headphones. So, and if you think, these are the Aftershocks Aero, and then the bib was fine. Didn't notice it. Got my $5 bucks. My gear check. Oh yeah, my $5 Brooks bucks. Oh, and I played a basketball game that gave me $15 in Brooks bucks. So I'm gonna buy something from Brooks later today. But yeah, now it's time to go home, shower, and hang out on Saturday. See ya.